Hey guys, Jason here with What in Detail Nation, bringing you another video. This beautiful 2019 718 Cayman S came in for a one-stage paint correction followed with a 5-year ceramic coating to make this paint fully sealed and dialed in. This paint was in pretty good shape. The owner takes very good care of it, and you can tell by the condition of it. We polished it just to get out a little tiny imperfections, sprucing the paint up and fully prep it for the coating application process. And once it's been ceramic coated, it has years of protection, of superior protection, ease of maintenance, your vehicle stays cleaner for longer, and a super slick, durable finish that will protect your car for years and keep it showroom year-round and be the envy of all your friends with the cleanest car on the block. This vehicle actually got a wheels off service. So the wheels were ceramic coated, the calipers were clean, polished, and also ceramic coated. So this has gotten the ultimate ceramic coating package. If you're interested in getting a ceramic coating service, please visit our website at whatindetailnation.org, and we hope to see you soon. Until next time, I'll see you later.